Hi everyone, today we will be discussing about future perfect continuous tense. This is almost the final lecture of our tenses series videos. So I hope that this would be also an interesting and fruitful video for you people. Don't miss watching this video till the end. This would be very much helpful for you people. So start the video now. Future perfect continuous tense. This is our today's lecture. What is the future perfect continuous tense? This is the question. You know that first of all, the definition, we should know about the thing we are learning. So what actually the future perfect continuous tense is? First thing we need to know is definition. We have the future perfect continuous tense describes actions that will continue up until a particular point in the future. Means that future continuous tense is the tense, the work, that is the action that will be starting in future, that is going to be started in the future, and that will be continue in another point in the future. Sometimes we do speak about such type of situations, then we use future perfect continuous tense. We will have the example, the structure, then we will come to know about each and everything. It combines aspect of a continuity, continuous tense, and a completion perfect tense. So two things we need to know: future perfect tense and continuous tense. So it is actually the combination of perfect tense and the continuous tense. You know that it is clear from its title. It is perfect continuous. Perfect is from perfect tense, and the continuous means continuity of something, right? So I hope that you have understood this. We will have now formation and forming the future perfect tense. How can we made future perfect tense? Means the structure of future perfect tense we'll come to know now. Subject plus will have been plus verb ending ing. Subject, you know that subject is the doer of an action, plus will have been will be the helping verb, and plus main verb we will have ending in ing, means the verb which will be ending in ing because it is perfect continuous. Okay, plus time expression we should have. Okay, any complement. By next year I will have been working here for 5 years. So main focus thing in this structure is what you know will have been is very much important. You need to know this, that this is part of future perfect continuous tense plus verb plus ing form. You need to know this, right? Understanding the structure, will have been signifies the future perfect tense, and will plus ing, verb plus ing indicates the continuous aspect of tenses. Okay, so together they denote an action that starts before a certain time in the future and it continues up to that time. Means that the work that is that will be starting in future, and that will be continue uh, in another time in the future. Means the work that is going to be continued and that will be continued in another point you are talking about, right? This is structure, the understanding of structure. Time expressions with future perfect continuous tense. What are the expressions? Time expressions such as by, for, and since are commonly used. Okay, example: she will have been studying for 3 hours by the time we arrive. Okay, use cases of the future perfect continuous tense. Usages we will see now. Duration of an action up to a specific point in the future. 1. Emphasizing the continuity of an action. Speculating about the duration of an action, indicating persistence or dedication to an activity. This was the usage. Now examples, we have some examples. Future perfect continuous tense: by midnight he will have been traveling for 12 hours. I have been working on this project for 2 weeks. By Friday they will have been living in that house for a decade. Next month. So this was our today's lecture. I hope that you people have understood each and everything about this future perfect continuous tense. So you people have to do subscribe to my channel and watch the videos, the interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.